If you consider this Word document, you can see it contains text as well as 4 images. There is a very quick way in which you can extract and save all of the 4 images from this document. And that's what I'm going to show in this video. But you can also save the images individually. To save an image individually, you select the image, then you right-click onto the mouse, and you can click here where it says Save as Picture. You are then presented with this dialog box, which allows you to save the images in a folder of your choice. You can choose the name for the image you wish to save here, and then it's a question of then just clicking on to save. And of course, there are 4 images in this document, so you would have to do this 4 times in order to save the 4 images. But there is a quicker way to do this, and that's really what this video is about. I'm going to show you this quicker method of extracting images from a Word document. In order to extract the images, you do not need to have Word open. You go to File Explorer and you locate the file within the appropriate folder. And you can see that's what I've done here. I've gone to this directory and look here and you can see the Word document. And it's called NASA docx. It's telling us that it is a Word file. And this is the one from which I wish to extract all 4 images. While in File Explorer, you change the name of the extension to the file to zip, as you can see. You are then presented with this message box which tells you if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. For this reason, you might want to have made a copy of the original file so you know you won't have any issues if anything does go wrong, and then you work on the copy. But when you do see this message box, the thing to do is to click on to Yes. Now you can see you end up with a zip folder. Click on the folder to open it and you'll be presented with a folder structure, a directory structure. Then click on to Word and open that. And then you can move up to where you can see Media. Click onto that and you will open up a directory, a folder with a number of images. I'll click on the first image and you can see it's the first image that appeared in the Word document. If I click on to image 2, you can see we get the second image that appeared in the Word document. There were 4 images in the Word document, and you could see I was easily able to extract these 4 images, and they appeared here in the media folder of the zip folder that was created when I changed the name of the Word document to a zip file. This works because a file with the extension docx is actually a compressed collection of XML files plus media that together make up a Word document. So because the Word document is in fact a zip file, means that when we tell it is a zip file by changing its extension to zip, we can get at the various bits that are inside the document. And of course, some of the bits are the images that we had in this document, which were the 4 images we've already seen.